Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to turn off and install DuckDuckGo app. You will click on this application of DuckDuckGo as you see, and you will click. In this page you will go to above these three dots and you will click. Then this page you will go to settings, then you will enter. Here in this page you will go to private search and you will click. After that you will go to this sign of more search settings. Here in this page you will go down until you find this sign. If the sign changed, then you can now have turn off and still DuckDuck on DuckDuckGo. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.